So today we're here at Brew microbrewery and our traditional border walk. So let's try. We already found the best waiter ever. Let me show you the guy when you come to St. Croix. I will show you. That's the guy. That is the guy. He's awesome. He cooks and makes drinks, whatever you want. He's the man. You're gonna love him. Listen to this music. This is Metallica, Unforgiven, but in reggae version. Funny, right? Unforgiven. At Pelican, Cove. It's a really nice place. Let me show you. Pretty awesome. Beautiful. I'm gonna check it. Take a look, guys. Yeah. Let's enjoy. The palms.